Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question, which is asking us find the period of f of x, this and this. Okay. So you know that you have to find out the period of this function, and then you have to take LCM of both of them. Okay. Now look at this. Do you remember that if f of x has period t, then f of ax plus b will have period t by mod a. Hope you remember this one. Now look at here. If you'll observe, the period of cos function is 2 pi and the coefficient is 2 by 3. So you should divide this number by 2 by 3. So this is your first number. So period of sine function is also 2 pi and the coefficient is 4 by 5. So it is 4 by 5. Correct? This thing on 3 pi and 2. So it is 5 pi by 2. Is that okay? Now, if both are irrational number, correct na? So whenever you have to find out LCM, suppose you have fraction, okay, a by b, c by d, and you have to find out LCM. So what you should do? You should go with LCM of numerator, okay, and divided by HCF of denominator. Okay, now what is the LCM of numerator? So it is 15. If you'll observe the number 3 and 5, so it is 15. So I will go with 15 pi. Now HCF of denominator means what? HCF of 1 and 2. So HCF of 1 and 2 is 1. Therefore, the period becomes 15 pi. I hope this question is clear. Now moving back to this question, find period of f of x equals to sin x plus fractional x. Now you know that the period of sin x is 2 pi. You know that the period of fractional x is 1. Now you have to do LCM. You guys cannot find out the LCM. LCM of 2 pi and 1 is not defined. Okay. Why I am telling you this? Try to understand. Here you have to understand the concept of LCM. LCM means what? Least common multiple. So if you will start table of this, means 2 pi into 1, 2 pi into 2, 2 pi into 3, 2 pi into 4, dot. 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, dot. So you will never find anything common between them. Okay. So there is no common multiple thing between them. So the LCM does not exist, hence it is not periodic. I hope this question is clear. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.